Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers back with you again for hopefully what will be another interesting lesson for you. This is my take on a song from a band called The Dead South, and the song's called Wishing Well. Now, I did a playthrough of this song a few days ago now. If you haven't seen it, please go and check it out so you can see hopefully what I'm about to try and teach you, okay? Basically, we're in standard tuning, no capos, and we're doing it in the key of E minor, which is the same key as Dead South, okay? So, there's only one bar chord in it. The rest of the chords are basically open type chords, so there shouldn't be too much difficulty. There is a way of alternative to the bar chord. Sacrifice a bit of the sound, but it's possible to do it with a simpler version of the chord, okay, without the bar. So anyway, let's get to it. So the introduction, right, so by the way, this song is heavily banjoed. The banjo on this song is very, very prominent, but you've got to get the rhythm going with the acoustic, and you can get away with not having the banjo, okay. So let's get to it. So we're starting off with some nice in chord work, if you like, E minor, starting off with an E minor, and the first part of the intro is okay. So what's that? So we're starting off with a straightforward E minor chord, and you hit the fourth string followed by the third string, then we do a strum of the whole chord, okay? Got that? Straightforward. Then we've got this bit. Okay. Now, my fingering depends on whether you play your G chord. I play my G chords on a lot of songs like that, as opposed to that, okay? So if you play the chord like that, the G chord like that, then you'll be using these two fingers as if you were playing a G chord, okay? But up here. So we're playing the 4th fret of the A string and the 5th fret of the 6th string, okay? And what you have to do is you have to hit the 6th string, 5th string, and just strum the thicker strings, the wound strings, not worried about the top 2 strings, okay? So okay, and then you take it down 2 frets as if you were playing a G chord and play the 6th string, 5th string strum, okay? Then play the E minor again, 6th string, 5th string strum, okay? So that's the way to do it if you play your G's like that. If you play your G's like I do, like that, then you would tend probably to use these 2 fingers, exactly the same thing, but using these 2 fingers. Okay, so the whole part of the half of the intro so far, so we do it again very slowly. Okay, bit of a pause, and then we go into the strumming, right? And it's like it's like that all the way through the song. All the chords strum that way, okay? So what am I doing, the strumming wise, is for it starts off on the E minor, and what I'm doing is I'm playing the bottom E string, the root note of the chord, and then I'm going down, up, down. And it's sort of, it's like boom, ching, up, down. Quick up, down, okay? Sorry. Okay, and it's like that all the way through. So on this intro, after you've done the pause, and then we go. And then we go from 2 lots of it on E minor, then we we go to the G chord and we hit the, whichever way you do it, that way or that way, you hit the, again you hit the root note on the 6th string, the 3rd on the 6th there, and it's bum bum ba bum again. Then we go back to the E minor. So E minor, G, E minor, and then we go to B minor, which is the bar chord in the song. So if you're playing the second, if you're playing it like I do, you play the bar on the 2nd fret, 1st finger. The 2nd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then the 4th finger, 3rd finger and pinky are playing the 4th fret of the 4th string and 3rd string. And you hit the 5th string, which is the root note, and then you go to dun da dun, and you do that twice. Okay, so far we've got got the idea. If you can't play the bar chord, then play a simpler version of B minor, which is just that. So 2nd fret top E, 3rd fret 2nd on the 2nd string, and then the 4th fret of the 3rd string and 4th string, like that. Okay, and rather than play the root note, which is on a bar chord would be the 5th string, you'd have to play the 4th string instead, and then dun dun da dun. So you go, that sort of thing. It doesn't quite have the same sound as having the bar chord. It would be like, but it's passable. Okay, so if you're doing a B minor and you can't play the bar, use that version of B minor and just play the 4th string instead. Okay, so far E minor, B minor, sorry, E minor, sorry, start again. E minor, G, E minor, B minor. Okay, so and then we do a single on an A chord. Straightforward A chord, you play the 5th string. So it's like A string, bum bum ba bum, and you do it straight into a G. You only do it one lot of rhythm on the A chord, and then one lot of rhythm on the G chord, and then into an E minor. And you do 4 of those little rhythms before you start singing, going into the verse. So the whole intro. Okay, got the idea? So after you've done 4 of those strumming on the E minors, you go into verse 1, and the chords for this are E minor and B minor. So it goes so sweet, so genuine, back to E minor. I bet you taste B minor like cherry pie. E minor, so gorgeous. B minor, man, jaw drops. A, G, E minor. Very similar to the end part of the intro. Okay, so it's E minor, so sweet, so B minor, whichever simple one, or the bar chord, genuine, E minor, bet it tastes like B minor, sweet cherry pie, E minor, so gorgeous, B minor, every man jaw drops, A, when G will you choose, E minor, maestro. Okay, so that's the intro and the verse covered. Then we go into verse 2, and that's exactly the same to play, but with different words. Okay, so we'll go through the whole thing, the intro through to the end of verse 2, and then I'll show you the chorus. Okay, so slowly. Obviously, this is a little bit quicker than we're playing it in real life. Okay, so learn it slow and then gradually speed up. So right from the beginning. so gorgeous, and your drops. When will you choose my spot? So fine to put flowers to shame. You've got all the guys playing your game. In the moonlight I will ask you to dance. Will you let me take sweet dance? Okay, then we go into the chorus. Okay, so coming out of some we romance. I roll my penny into the wishing well. So you've got G, that's that way or that way, yeah, whichever way you're going. Same rhythm. I throw my A penny into the E minor, wishing well. Again, what that A wish was, I will E minor, never tell. So that's throw my penny into the wishing well. What that wish is, I will never tell. Again, G A E minor. Can I be yours outside at night? Can I be your everlasting light? So a very simple chorus. It's just G, A, E minor 4 times. So coming out of the, do the second verse and then the chorus, okay? Second verse. So find your gold flowers a shame. You got all the guys playing your game. In the moonlight I will ask you to dance. Will you let me taste your sweet romance? Chorus. I throw my penny into the wishing well. What that wish was I will never tell. Can I be by your side at night? Can I be your everlasting light? Okay, and then what it does then, it goes, comes out. Can I be your everlasting light? Okay, so again it does a quick A, G, E minor. Okay, so can I be your everlasting light? Then what it does then, it goes into verse 3, exactly the same as the other verses, okay, different words. Then verse 4, same as verse 2, different words, it's the same, all the verses play the same. And then we repeat the chorus again, so we've done the second chorus plays exactly the same words as the first chorus, like throw my penny into the wishing well. What that wish was I will never tell. Can I be by your side at night? Can I be your everlasting light? One extra line. Can I be your everlasting light? Again, another instrumental version on the A, G, E minor. Then we come to the bridge section. Okay, so after you've done the instrumental bit, throw my faith into the wishing well. Right, so it's E minor, this is the bridge section, E minor, throw my faith into that G, wishing well, D, pray to God that I don't, E minor, go to hell. And then it goes C, for C's in this as well, no, D, no, E minor, no. Okay? And then you repeat that sequence 2 more times. Okay, the same chords. Okay, so it's the bridge section. Throw my faith into that wishing well. I pray to God I don't go to hell. No, no, no. And then it repeats it again. Throw my faith into that wishing well. Pray to God I don't go to hell. No, no. I throw my faith into that wishing 3 lots of that: E minor, G, D, E minor, C, G, E minor. And you repeat that another 2 times, okay? And then to finish it off, we do another chorus, exactly the same as all the other choruses. Throw my penny into a wishing well, what that wish was I never tell. Can I be your side at night? Can I be your everlasting light? Can I be your everlasting light? And then the outro. Same as the instrumental bits: A, G, E minor, stop. Just a single strum on E minor. And there you have it, okay? So we just go through after the second chorus, and we go into, we do the second chorus to the end, okay? So we're coming out of the second chorus, so we have second chorus, then the instrumental bit, then the bridge, okay? So, throw a penny into the wishing well, what I wish would never tell. Can I be your angel side at night? Can I be your everlasting light? Can I be your everlasting light? Throw my baby to thy wishing well, pray to God that I don't go to hell. No, throw my baby to thy wishing well, I pray to God that I don't go to hell. No, throw my baby to thy wishing well, I pray to God that I don't go to hell. No, throw my baby into the wishing well, that I wish tell. Can I be as your side at night? Can I be your everlasting light? Can I be your everlasting light? Something like that. Okay then, boys and girls, there you have it. A fairly straightforward number, okay? Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.